What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great week. Oh, I've just tripped over something. But today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get free PSN codes in 2024. Let's get serious. Now, oops, sorry guys. These PSN codes are going to get you $100 credit. So you can literally spend the $100 in the PSN store, be it via purchasing games, whatever you want, and it's going to basically save you money. So let's show you how you can get your free PSN codes now. Okay guys, so let's show you how you can get your PSN codes for completely free. Go to your internet on your mobile phone. You've got to use your mobile for this, guys. It's super easy. You've got to go to this website, www. Only 3 wwws, guys. wavycoupons.com. So Wavy Coupons, guys, this website here, absolutely sick website. I have used these for pretty much everything you can think of. I use these for EA Sports 24. I've used these for, of course, PSN codes. I've used these for Xbox. You can literally have a look on here and they're gonna save you a bunch of money across whatever you want. Go to the search bar and just type in PlayStation. And you just need to find this page, the PSN gift card codes and coupons page. So go ahead, tap on that, scroll down, and here is the $100 free PSN gift card code, guys. This is what you need to find, and this is absolutely awesome. They're gonna save you a bunch of money, and you're never gonna have to purchase anything for real money from the PSN store, basically. So click on show coupon. You can see this button here. Click on that, and this is a $100 free PSN gift card code, guys. And you can see you need to unlock your personal code. Obviously these codes are super desirable. They're worth $100, so this prevents people from stealing them en masse. So what you're gonna need to do, guys, you're gonna need to unlock your code. So tap on that. I've got enough PSN credit, so I'm not going to do this, but basically when this reaches 100%, you're going to be greeted by a new screen, and it's going to tell you exactly how to get your code, guys. It's super easy. You just need to verify you're a real person. It takes about 5 minutes, which I know is annoying, but it is going to get you your PSN code. Once you've done that, your code will be fully revealed, and you can redeem your personal code that you get on the PSN store or on the website online, and that is it, guys. You've got to go to wavycoupons.com and search for the PlayStation page and enjoy, guys. That's the easiest method to get free PSN codes in 2024. Hope you enjoyed the video. Smash the like button, leave a comment, share with friends, all that good stuff, and I'll see you next time.